Hi everyone, this is a quick flip through of my latest journal, which is nature themed, mostly trees and birds. The boring statistics are it's 9.5 by 6.5 with a 1.5 inch spine, consisting of 3 signatures with 148 pages. This is a hardcover book, repurposed. There is a dangle on the spine with some charms, a key, an acorn, cherish, and this is removable. This has a metal plate on the front with a tree and a closure, although it doesn't really need it because it's not a gator mouth. This is a vintage hanky in the corner with a journaling card. It's an index card. A little envelope I made out of a book page, and inside is just some coffee dyed paper for journaling. A collage with some Edith Holden paper. A little journal card, and this is an altered paper clip. You can move that anywhere you want. This does not have a lot of embellishment. A little side tuck with a journal card. A little stamping, music, a pocket with a journal card. Just some tracing paper, coffee dyed. This is a punch out from a book. Some dyed paper, a belly band with a journal card. The other side of the punch out from the trees book. A little bit of stamping on the coffee dyed paper. A little tuck with a bird flashcard, vintage bird flashcard. This is a little notepad or scrap pad, whatever you want to use the paper for, and it just flips over the page. You can put it anywhere. There's a tag on the back with journaling space. You could clip this on with a paper clip to make it a little bit more sturdy. A side ruffle I made with the same fabric that's on the spine. This is just a little embellishment tab. This is a coin protector with a vintage, where am I? There I am. Tea card, Trees of Britain. You can leave it sticking out a little bit like a tab. Collage on the each first page of each signature has a collage because I use plain coffee dyed paper. Page from a tree book. This is pretty undecorated. A cross your legs pocket with 2 little tags. This is a envelope made out of vintage ledger with some coffee dyed paper inside for journaling. This is held on with a paper clip. You can put it anywhere, take it off, whatever. This is some jute that I sewed down on the edge of the page with a zigzag. This flips up. You can journal on here. And then there's 2 pockets inside. This is an over-the-page pocket cluster, a tag for journaling, and then the cluster folded over on the other side, that's a tuck that holds a guest check. Pocket made out of one of the tree book pages with a tag for journaling. This is a little side page cluster made into a tuck with another bird flashcard. Little stamp. This is just a collage. The tree book. Little stencil. First page of the last signature with a collage with some Edith Holden. Little library card pocket. Edith Holden book page. A collage with some stenciling. This is a corner flip tuck pocket. Plenty of place to write there. Plenty of places to write there and there. This is mostly a writing journal book on birds. There's not a lot of embellishment. A journal card. There's no lace whatsoever, so this could be kind of a manly journal. This is deli paper sewn on book page. I bought that on Etsy. I'm going to try to link down here all the digitals that I used and other places that I bought things. Tree book, coin protector again, Trees of Britain vintage tea card. The other side of those, a fabric flip, a sticker. People ask what a fabric flip is for. It's just a little secret writing place. Side tuck with a guest check. This is another over the page cluster pocket with more writing space. My little handmade by clipped on so you can remove it. The other side of the little vintage hanky, and another little envelope I made out of a book page, again with coffee dyed paper. There's the back and the front. And the dangle, black stitching on the spine. There you can see 3 signatures. That's it. Thanks for looking.